drinking hot cocoa on a snowy day. Yeah! Facts about the snow. The largest snowflake might have been 15 inches wide. Today is December 16, 2020, the first snow day of the season. Do you know it's a myth that no two snowflakes are exactly the same? In 1988, a scientist found two identical snow crystals. They came from a storm in Wisconsin.
It's pretty cold right now. Here, you want some snow? Good. There you go.
It started snowing around 10 o'clock, I think, but it only lasted for a couple hours. So me and my friend decided to walk and enjoy the beauty of snow. I love snow. It's amazing and it's beautiful. I'm so happy that snow has finally arrived. I get to photograph snowflakes again. The snow is pretty, but I hate driving in the snow. Driving the snow could be dangerous. You never know when you might slide on some ice. You know. I'm gonna be reading weather update. Rain starting to taper in central Virginia, but potential for icy spots continues overnight. As of 4:30 p.m., the steady rain is letting up in the Richmond area late this afternoon as this winter storm makes more progress up the eastern seaboard. We aren't totally done with chances for more and an off shower this evening and overnight. But at this point, the bulk of the rain has already fallen. Another wave of precipitation over the southwestern corner of the state will head this way during the evening. But temperatures will probably stay within a degree or two of where they are now. So areas that mainly saw rain today will just see more tonight. Those that got freezing rain could stand to see a bit more. Rain falls on elevated surfaces as far southeast as Ashland, but additional accumulation are unlikely now that temperatures have mid up 30s. Rain is falling throughout central Virginia, but temperatures are hovering at or below freezing west of a line extending from Bowling Green to Short Pond. The situation hasn't changed much in the past few hours, except that the rainfall rate has increased. The chance for freezing rain will continue for those areas into the early mid-afternoon before temperatures budge slightly higher. Here are some interesting information about snow. Snow forms when water vapor in the atmosphere freezes into ice crystals. Light and fluffy snow is often called powder. Heavy snowfalls are often called snowstorms. Snowstorms with high winds are often called blizzards. Snow reflects a high level of ultraviolet radiation and can cause snow blindness. Sunglasses, goggles, and other eye protection help absorb the ultraviolet rays. The largest snowflake might have been 15 inches wide. According to some sources, the largest snowflakes ever observed fell during a snowstorm in January 1887. Everyone loves snow day because snow day means no work. You get to stay home and be lazy all day long. The most snow to fall in a 24 period in the United States is 75.8 inches. In 1921, over 6 feet of snow fell between April 14 at 2:30 p.m. and April 15 at 2:30 p.m. in Silver Lake, Colorado. Colorado also holds the record for the most snow to fall in a single calendar day. On December 4, 1916, 63 inches of snow fell on Georgetown, Colorado. Every big storm is a blizzard. In order to be classified as a blizzard, a snowstorm must meet a very specific set of qualifications. Winds must blow at least 35 miles per hour, and the snowfall must reduce visibility to less than 0.25 miles for a period of at least 3 hours. Other common types of snowstorms include a snow squall, or an intense snowfall accompanied by strong winds that only last at a short time, and a snowburst, a brief, intense snowfall that results in a rapid accumulation of snow.